XINXIANG Tianfeng Machinery Manufacture Company Limited, established in 2002, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of metal profile processing, roll forming machine, and production line. Our company is one of Chinese cold roll forming industry standard drafters who won 18 national patents. We are also the member of China Roll Forming Association and World Top 500 company Schneider Global Qualified Supplier. We are located in development area of Xinjiang City, Henan Province. Total area reaches 26,000 square meters with 210 employees, 56 research and development technicians included. Our company adopts International Advanced Designing Software, COPRA, CAXA. We have large machining centers. Our company has rich experience in roll forming machine manufacture in the field of steel structure, car, environmental protection, electric power, insulation panel, slitting and cut-to-length line, and etc. The sections processing is also available. Our company control each production link from raw material purchase quality strictly. In addition, we have obtained CE certification certificates. We execute strict quality control system for each production process from raw material procurement, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to 77 countries and regions, such as America, France, Portugal, Russia, Brazil, etc., with perfect after-sales service network. Hope to cooperate with you successfully.